हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेक सेंटेंसेस वीडियो में फिर से एक बार आपका स्वागत है। और यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स लिए गए हैं और उनसे सेंटेंसेस बनाए गए हैं, जैसे कि देयर इज़ अ मैरिज प्रपोजल फॉर यू। अगला सेंटेंस है माई मैरिज गॉट फिक्स्ड। माई मैरिज गॉट फिक्स्ड। माई मैरिज गॉट फिक्स्ड। सेंटेंस है व्हेन विल यू गेट मैरिड इन अ ईयर और टू। When will you get married in a year or two? अगला सेंटेंस in a year or so का यूज़ करें तो I will come in a month or so. I will come in a month or so. They will go in a week or so. They will go in a week or so. They will go in a week or so. Mom was telling me today to have received a marriage proposal for me. Sentence है What kind of family are you looking for? What kind of family are you looking for? इसके बाद है What kind of bridegroom are you looking for? What kind of bridegroom are you looking for? Sentence है I have a special news for you. I have a special news for you. Sentence How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How did you write this? How did you write this? I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. This year I will marry. This year I will marry. This year I will marry. The bride looks beautiful. The bride looks beautiful. We want a good girl for our son. We want a good girl for our son. Okay, wait for some days. Okay, wait for some days. Now sentence is Simra tore up the letter after she read it. Their car broke down 2 miles out of town. Their car broke down 2 miles out of town. Did the manager deal with that customer's complaint? Be sure to put on a life jacket before getting into the boat. Next sentence is we left out the trash for pickup. We left out the trash for pickup. It's time to get on the plane. It's time to get on the plane. What will she think up next? What will she think up next? I am having some trouble working out the solution to this equation. The cackling of geese saved Rome. The cackling of geese saved Rome. The girl stood on the burning deck. The girl stood on the burning deck. Tubal-Cain was a man of might. Tubal-Cain was a man of might. Stone walls do not make a prison. Stone walls do not make a prison. The singing of the birds delights us. The singing of the birds delights us. Her kitty was rude at the table one day. Her kitty was rude at the table one day. She has a good memory. She has a good memory. She has a good memory. Bad habits grow unconsciously. Bad habits grow unconsciously.